Alright, so I did some, well, I started to do some cleanup, and as you can see, I took the tape off on this side, and it turned out to be actually much easier than I anticipated. Well, so far at least. So here's how I've done it. I can probably show here. So basically I did another layer of tape right here on the edge on this side, just to make sure that the edge does not chip. I don't know how much that was necessary, but if anything, just to see where the tape under is. And then I just put the straight edge there. In addition to that, scored it with a chisel, like that, just to make sure that there is a scratch there, and sort of like breaking a glass. Then first you scratch, then you crack it, and it breaks along the seam, and then I just pull the tape effectively, and as you can see, that's how it pulled. So yeah, just like that, and left pretty clean edge. So right now I'm going to try to do the same thing on this side and film it. So probably the trickiest part is to find where the tape is under the concrete. So let's see if you can see it. So yeah, I can see the edge right here. So, and then it goes like that all the way in. So now take the tape and put it on this side. So like that. Let me check if it's straight. That looks straight. And then I'm going to take a straight edge. Like so, and put it right here. Right. And I'm gonna score it with this tool first, and maybe with the chisel as well. Alright, you may not be able to see it because it's right at the edge of the tape, but there's a pretty good scoring there. So now I'm going to be pulling this tape this way. And see how it's going to go. And as you can see, it pulls pretty straight, but we'll still need to do a little bit of cleanup here. And that's that. As you can see, fairly clean line. I'm happy how it actually turned out, so I'll just need to do the ones on top, and that will actually look pretty decent.